doing some more roof work. It looks like these cables, spars and all that, it's been rising up, going vertical. And you can see these pieces of equipment here, which I believe are called strand jacks. They're kind of an instrumental part in tying all this together, getting those wires all taut. You can see from this time of the day and later in the afternoon, I guess those panels are white, but they do give off kind of a light gray look, at least with my eyes. I'm colorblind a little bit, but I kind of like it though, rather than white. And there's the newest part of what I call like a skeleton panel. See all the bones there, and they're just waiting for the puzzle pieces to be put in, along with some staggered pieces here missing. But from what I've heard, there will be an LED lighting system behind these panels. I think I read that right. So probably like capable of changing at night, at least the color exterior of these panels. If you wanted to be like a Charger Bolt yellow, or Rams mustard yellow. Actually, I think it's called marigold, or whatever. Or college football. You got Alabama crimson red. That might be a possibility someday. That's a few years down the line. And there's a college bowl game here. Still out here, I guess focused on mainly parking lots out here, but also Stadium Lake. But you can't really see it from here. It's really hard to see. It's kind of below this line here, this fence line. Performance venue. Searching for that Stadium Lake. Hard to see from here.